What happened to Pythons when working with boolean? In a pandas data frame, I have a series of boolean values. In order to filter to rows where the boolean is true, I can use df_column_x. I thought in order to filter to only rows where the column is false, I could use df_column_x. I feel like I've done this before, and have seen it as the accepted answer. However, this fails because ~df.column_x converts the values to integers. See below. Basically, I can use CB, but not cc.boolean. Am I just dreaming that this used to work?
Since you created the C by using data frame constructor, then T. First let us look at what we have before T. So pandas will make each columns only have one D type, if not it will convert to object. After T, what data type we have for each columns? The D types in your C. Boolean columns became object type, that is why you get unexpected output for ~c.boolean. How to fix it? Concat